Greg, are we live?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Hey, everyone. Sorry to interrupt the assembly, but we've got some urgent news for all of you.
We're here to expose the truth about a certain someone you might know as Mr. Brice.
He's retiring at such a young age and in his prime teaching. And he's received both Teacher of the Year and District Teacher of the Year.
Luckily, to crack the case, we brought in some of his closest family members, some colleagues, and some locals. All right, let's hear from his sister.
I can say with 100% certainty, my brother Paul is a fully credentialed California math educator. Or is he? The truth is out there.
The three of you would put on your slippery shoes and slide down the hill before going to school. Makes me wonder if your pants were wet by the time you got there. Anyway, congratulations again. I wish you the best.
Registered teacher, huh? That's interesting. Now let's hear from his brother Rick.
You know that Paul went to college, interested in engineering, and came out as a teacher? Has this been a ruse ever since then?
Engineering to math teacher? Impossible. What about his sister Debbie?
Destined to be in a numbers profession, as he was the youngest of 9 and could calculate ways to get in his parents' good graces.
Let's see what his co-teacher, Mr. Keeler, has to say about Mr. Brice's enthusiasm for math.
You know, he's an amazing teacher, and he's taught at SDA for 25 years, and he's been an inspiration for so many students and teachers. And he initiated, not many people know this, but he initiated our recycling program that we have at SDA. And he also started our famous Pi Day. And students tell me all the time, oh, Mr. Brice is my favorite teacher. I'm like, really? Come on, he's a math teacher. How exciting could he be?
You're talking about Mr. Brice? I love Mr. Brice.
I love Mr. Brice!
Oh my god.
Oh my.
Let's hear from Mr. Anderson.
Paul Brice for Teacher of the Year? Yeah. That makes sense. He's got that whole, let's make math relatable or interesting or whatever. I mean, it's math. Who makes it interesting? Paul does. He's also got that whole full service classroom thing going on where, kids come in, any time of day, homeroom, between classes, lunch, after school. And if he's not there, they're always knocking on my door. Where's Mr. Brice? I'm like, he's not here. Sorry, can I help you? No, it's okay. I just want to see Mr. Brice. So I get it, I guess.
What about our mom, Mrs. Brice?
To my knowledge, Mr. Brice invented the parabola dance when he was teaching quadratics. And he just pretty much was trying to show a parabola in the classroom. And then it turned into a big deal on his YouTube channel, and to the fact that he even did the parabola dance for the whole school at an assembly. But come to think of it, I think he was practicing it before he ever did it. I would see him out in the garden just kind of walking around like this. And there were other times too at the beach. He likes to kind of stretch his arms. He says he's stretching to go surf, but both arms kind of straight up. I don't know.
We asked a couple locals just to tell us exactly what is going on.
Can you point to the old man?
Hey, can you point to the old man? Awesome, thank you.
All right, thank you. The old man? All right, thank you. Anyone else?
Well, James. James, who's the old man?
Perfect. Well, thank you so much. One more. See? He's definitely not an old man. So why is he retiring?
It seems impossible for someone to have made such a lasting impact on so many students and staff while also being such a good person and amazing father.
Unless, of course, he's a spy or a clone or maybe a time-traveling math genius sent from the future.
That's right. But no matter what, we just want to say congratulations. STA is going to dearly miss you, and we love you from the bottom of our heart.
Love you, Dad.